Check 1, 2. We are now live and ready to start trading. We are seeing unprecedented volume coming through on the open, shifting our short-term outlook.
All right, good morning, chat. Happy Friday. We have officially made it to the end of this very fun trading week. I myself cannot wait for this week to be over and hopefully get some clean price action next week. How are we all doing today? What's up, Marius, Peter, Sonny? Wouldn't you know it? We are in a very, very choppy range. This overnight range, about 680. Let's call it that 575 level. 100-point range, incredibly tough to trade. Still leaning on the bullish side. So kind of going to be looking for longs off the same area that we've been dealing with for the past. I feel like I've said this 575 level like 30 times this week, but here we are. So same playbook as yesterday, leaning on the bullish side. Let's go through our time frames, kind of see if we can think about where the market's going. It is Jackson Hole today, and Warsh is speaking. It's like one of the important ones for the weekend. So honestly, I'm really not expecting a continuation move. It's going to be a scalp day. But, you know, we're slowly climbing up on the daily. Looking for bulls to hold, you know, this basically VWAP. VWAP is lined up with our 575 level, so that makes sense. 4 hour is holding. Yeah, I mean, everything's kind of looking like, you know, we're kind of pointing up. So pullbacks to go long is what I'm kind of looking for. I'm going to be doing 5 micros, at least for the first, you know, half hour or hour. And then we will size up when the price action kind of stabilizes. But that's kind of the plan. And let's see what we can do. But looking at the 1 hour, I mean, this is forming a nice base down here. Every time we hit the 600 area, nice bounce. So we're looking for longs in that area. What's up, guys? What's up? Nacho, Jake. I still don't know how to say your YouTube name, so I'm going to call you Casio. I think you said it was a cheese, right? What's up, Becky? And if you guys are wondering where Mike is, remember Mike does not trade on Fridays. It was tough for me to get out of bed this morning. It's storming over here, and it was just like thunder. When I hear like thunder, it's dark out in the rain. It's just, I just want to lay in bed and just chill. But let's trade this chop, guys. Let's do it. Got a couple minutes till the market opens, about 1 minute. Really looking for a slide down to the 600 area. So let's see what happens. And I finally did break my streak of losing in the first 5 minutes. I think it was last Friday. So I don't know. Maybe we'll continue. Maybe we'll continue it to the upside and get another win if something presents itself. But go ahead and hit that like button, guys. If we get a bunch of likes, we can do a free account giveaway. We got to give away 2 yesterday. That was fun. All right, about 15 seconds. What are you guys thinking for the morning? Let me know. All right to that 600 area. So are we going to bounce? I really don't want to get into play 5 seconds into market open, but it's probably going to work out. And there you go. 600, literally, boom, 20 points right off the bat. Let's see if he continues up to the 630 area. So if you're in, you want to take that quick money, there you go. There's your play. There's your 30 points. Boom, you're done for the morning. And it's gone. Got a low, nice New York open. All right. 600 has fallen, so this is where bulls really need to defend, guys. We'll place an entry down at the this bottom 560 area. It's a major bounce zone. If it fails 560, it's running right to 525, which is the bounce area from yesterday when we were kind of streaming. So those are our two zones. But I'm willing to take a stab at the 560 area, guys. See if it hits. If it doesn't, we're looking for this area around, call it 500 to 520. Okay, missed our fill there. Unfortunately, missed that. First PT would have been 592. It's looking kind of sell side if you get onto the 1 minute. Clearly broke structure, so this will get filled. Just a matter if it's going to dump right through or not. My cut's probably going to be around 20 points on this one if it does drop. And guys, thanks for hanging out on a Friday. If you don't mind, hit that like button. Let's get this to hit the algorithm. Get some people in here. Let's give away some accounts. Make some freaking money. All the stuff we love as traders. Oh, man. Wow. You guys see that? We're talking one tick away from filling, and then ran right. That is my bad. I did put it below the white line. Gotta be better than that. Wow. And then look at that. Ran right to TP1, and it's continuing. Damn. Hate to see that, guys. What's up, AD? How we doing? All right. Now I got to make a decision. Do I keep this order in here? No, I'm going to cancel it. I don't like it anymore. It's a bummer. That was my morning right there. That would have been it. Then we'd be done. One done, guys. He's sitting over 40 points right now. 50 points. Unfreaking believable. Did anybody get in on that? Because that plan went flawlessly, guys. Flawless. So now if we are in, we're looking for, we want to see if the Bulls can hold this 590 to 600 area. Ultimately, push up to 630. And if we get over 640, I'd feel good. But man, this range is ranging. All right. Wow. That one hurts, guys. That one hurts. That was an easy, quick $400. Oh man, that was it. That was the play I wanted, guys. That was the play I wanted. Oh, just sailing off into the sunset without me, guys. Oh man. So, man, I cannot believe that just happened. All right, so we want to see if the Bulls can push past the 650 level now. This is all we got. That was it. That was the play of the morning. Was that short just to sweep London low? Yeah, I mean, it was the London low sweep. It's ran right to the bottom of a major level I have. So whatever you want to call it, yeah. Hate to see it though. Hate to see it. I hope somebody got it. If one person in this chat got it, I will not feel as bad. But if nobody got it, man, I let you all down. I let you all down. Where do I think Bulls are taking it? I don't think Bulls are going to take it anywhere today, honestly, guys. I think this. I mean, the 640 was my target. 680 is my upper range. You got it. Thank you. Thank you. So the entry I had was 62.25, but it tapped 62.50. Literally missed by one tick, guys. But I will say, guys, I did a really nice play last night. I hit this long, closed out at 700. I think I ran it from 640 at 10. 640. First trim at 675, took 5 off, and then took the last 5 at 700. So, I mean, I'm up a good amount going into the New York session, but this would have been the icing on the cake. Would have put me really nicely up for the week. Would have been ended up being my best day of the week probably. Got out 640. Let's go, guys. Had an order open at 520. That's a good area to get in. That was what we did yesterday. We were eyeing that area, and that's where we popped. Didn't get it today. Mary, exactly. Bunch of speeches today. Couldn't break that resistance. It's Friday. It's going to range all day. 20-30 points. Scalp might be it. Yep, that's kind of what I'm thinking, man. So, can somebody look up what time Warsaw speaks about? I think it's at, I want to say 11. I can't remember correctly. All right, there's TP2, guys. Oh my God, there'd be my full exit. I'd be done. 100 points. I should have played this this retest of the 640, but I'm over this play. Go without me. If you're still in, runner target 700. And Venmo me $1, please. There you go, Becky. One speech in 20 minutes. Okay, so 10. Unreal, guys. Unreal. That is trading for you, though. That is trading for you. Man, oh man. How much am I up today? Let's check. I'm up about 700 going into this session, so I guess it's okay that I missed it. All right, well, here's that 700. That would be my runner target if I was in. Oh, man. Because I have a rule where I don't mark it in. It is play misses me, play misses me. I could have gotten into the continuation, but I'm over it. I'm over it, guys. I'll walk you through it. Hopefully people took the TA. I mean, like, you could get it at 675, 680 right now if you really think we're gonna go up. But the thing is, what's gonna actually push us out of this? What's gonna push us out of here? Do we have any sort of catalyst? Everybody's waiting for this speech. Everybody's waiting for this speech. So getting in up this high is a little risky. It is risky. But it's going to hit that 700. I mean, I don't know. What do you think, Chad? Should we go for the 675 one? But man, oh man. Gotta love it when a plan just works out absolutely freaking perfect and you can't get in. Is the video detector? About the ES. Yes, actually looks like it. Yeah, so ES swept the high. And he did not. Short 700. Hey, not a bad idea, man. All right, I'm curious if this 675 level is going to hold. Oh, George, man, I feel like I should have gotten in. I don't know, it's just tough to get in with a brick wall about 20 minutes above you. Oh, I need this caffeine to kick in, chat. Hard to get hyped up when you miss that play by a takedown. I'm almost thinking about shorting this back into 640, but I'm still long bias, so I think I'll just look the long today. Out, payout secured after 3 months. Let's go, P Doggy. Everybody say congrats to P Doggy. Good stuff. Good stuff. First one ever? Never forget your first. I remember my first payout. I got like a max payout at a firm, and it hit my bank account. I could not believe it was real. Like, did I really just get $3,000? First in a while. There you go. There you go. Call your first. Let's go. Let's go. Love seeing the members make some money. All right. Should drip down to 640. It's hard for me to short. I'm gonna place a long at 640 actually. 645. Let's see if it comes down. If this does push over 700, we might actually get some continuation today. See. We'll see. But we have this order at 645. Let's see if we get wicked in. 5. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Kind of bummed after missing that 100-point banger. 653 TP just hit 229. Hey, there you go. Not bad money for a little Friday morning. Anybody got any fun plans this weekend? I'm gonna be straight up chilling this week. The weather gonna rain. Almost hoping it's gonna rain all weekend, so I don't feel bad about not doing anything. Oh yeah, nice and rainy. I can dig that. Okay, we are in. So let's see if this is actually a continuation play or if we're straight up gonna range. If we're gonna break this, we're gonna run right back to 600, and the range is gonna be in full effect, and we're just gonna do this on top. I'd like to see a push past 660. That'd be nice. Maybe we just lock in some money. Call it a scalping day. I don't know. What do you think, chat? COVID? Damn, I haven't heard that in a while. Well, I guess you are going to be big chilling this weekend. All right, so we saw a little pop, a little bit of green, nothing crazy. If we break below 630, I might just get out of this play. Put the stops down here this way. Remember, guys, looking for a push over 660 for this to do anything. It's back strong. Damn, I didn't even know that. All right, we tried to break out twice, failed. I don't know. It's not looking that good, chat. Probably going to get stopped. It was worth a shot. $600 after insurance. Yeesh. Yeah, Mary, I think this might be a range. I don't know. We'll see, man. If this structure holds, I don't see us breaking out unless like the speech gets leaked or something. Just push this out, guys. Push this out. Bank holiday weekend in the UK and hopefully live. Oh, live? Nice. There you go. Congrats. And it's trying to push. It's trying. It's just it's not it's failing every time. I don't know. Come on, give us this push. Give us this push. I'd be surprised to see a breakout or break over 700 at least. Yeah, agreed. Part of me just wants to take this green and just like not deal with the very middle of a range, which is looking like I should have. We just broke structure too. Yeah. Looking like we're gonna drift back down to 600, chat. Let's we're gonna get stopped here. Oh no, we didn't. I thought it dipped. I don't know. We'll hold. We'll see what happens. We are under VWAP now too. I hate that I missed that initial play. That was the play. That was the play of the day, guys. Over 100 points, literally range to range. Gotta love just sitting in a play for too long, just going red, green, red, green, red, green. Yeah, I mean, I'm up about 700 today. So I'm willing to risk about 200, which would leave me at 500. But I don't know. I could switch to another account. All right, let's just take this $100. Get out of here. I'll take that. I don't. I've been sitting in that play for way too damn long. The price on my chart is not the same as TradingView. I'm using TradingView. Was there news at 10? What's today? Today is Friday the 28th. Oh, U of M. Yeah, I don't want to be in a play during U of M's consumer sentiment. So now I'm up $800 on the day. I mean, I'd be pretty stoked going into a weekend with an $800 gain. I don't know. If my chart doesn't match anybody else's, let me know. I haven't changed anything. If you got delay data, I don't know. Yeah, if you haven't traded with me that long, U of M consumer sentiment, I absolutely hate that news event. I do not want to be in a trade during it at all. It has screwed me back in my option days. It screwed me over so many times. And there's that 60 level I wanted. So it did end up hitting for a little TP1. So if you are holding this long, it's going to get a little volatile in about 30 seconds. And the real TP is 75 for this. I don't know what's going to hit it. Actually ended up being a decent play. I'm curious if I can push it over 70, 70, 75. That might be just to smack it down. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So what do I got to talk about? There's that candle. See? A Fugazi candle. Absolutely. I hate that news. It just stops you off both ways. You can't trade it. You cannot trade it. You would have gotten stopped on the long just for it to run to 700. Yeah, that's what it is. Can't stop if you don't have a stop. That's true, but would have been in like 40 points of drawdown, which we do not like. All right. Well, great thesis at least. Reading the market pretty decently today. But we pretty much have established our range, guys. This is gonna be pretty trash. If you want to draw one of these boxes, like just don't trade this zone. There you go. 700. Just do 6 to 700. Just don't touch it. Hey, play the longs or play the shorts. Play the ping pong. Here's our bull bear levels, and I will be right back, guys. Not surprised we're still in the range. Definitely not a day to be greedy, guys. Definitely not a day to be greedy. What is gold doing? Let's check out. Oh, damn. Dude. Gold fell off a cliff. Honestly, probably just blindly short gold right now. That's pretty wild. Damn. All right, let's see if it's gonna flip. I'm still long bias. We're still in the same range, you guys. This is barcode action. If you've hit more than 20 points in the trade, like you're good. You're good. Let's see if we can flip bears though. I'm waiting for a 560 flip. 560 flip, guys. You guys hear the music in the background? Oh, interesting. Well, if you see me head bopping, it's because I got music on. I do do that. Well, so I'm looking for a flip to the downside, guys. $600 locked, a bit too stressed to long. Hey, 600, solid, man. All right, let's see if we get this break. At this point, I'm looking. We can't break. I'm not looking for this. Well, the range is ranging, guys. I feel like at this point, you blindly short 700 and you blindly long 60, and you just do that until it does not work. I feel it's going to be really, really boring. Next 30 minutes. I don't know. See if it breaks. This is our first break of structure of the morning. I'm still bummed I missed that first play of the day. That was it. I mean, normally I would say downside, but this range is just has been diabolical. Right. Finally broke. Let's see if we get a little bit of confirmation, and then I'll put a little short in. Put a little short in. Go 582 short. Let's see. Let's see if we. Are you watching it? I feel like these Fed speakers never really say much. Like there might be inflation, but we're keeping an eye on it. We'll see. He says anything about raising rates. Forget it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Well, it ran to kind of our first downside target. Adjusting entry to 575. So let's see. This is like the tippy top bottom of the range I was talking about. Tippy top bottom. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, it might go. Damn. They're just gonna go without us. And this hourly, barcode action just broke. That's a pretty big bearish sign. But it might just get sucked up and go right back into range. So we got to be careful. Tippy top. I'm 64, brother. 64. I'm gonna keep this country. Let's see. We shall see. Maybe short. All right, let's see if we get this fill, guys. Is Tippy Top an old person thing to say? Ah, man, we missed that fill by a couple points. Or 4 points. See if it comes back and gets us. How am I not getting these fills, guys? How am I not getting these, chat? This is wild. Unbelievable. Ah, okay, we're in. We are in. Is this going to rip right back into freaking range? Let's see. Let's see. We're going to cut it like 595. Yep. Looks like we're going right back into range, guys. This is where I've been hitting reverse button. It's been working. I don't want to do it, but it's going to bait me into it. Watch. It's going to bait me into it. So we're going to cut this. And now we're back into range. So are we going to fully pop back into range, guys? Are we going to fully pop back in? So the fact that we did not continue the downside means absolute chop day for me. So we're going to go ahead and flip back long. And we'll see if this works out. Going to basically take that same level and flip it and go long. So we get wicked in. This isn't actually a nice little setup on the 5 minute or 3 minute. Honestly, anywhere that's 575 to 590 area, good area to go long. That was a nice little fake out. I love Steve's music. And look at that wick that this hourly candle created. FU wick. And guys, I'll be honest with you. When I am done streaming, I'm done trading for the week. I don't want to mess with this. I don't want to mess with this tight range. Not at all. Not at all. Hey, later, man. Congrats on the payout. I don't think this is gonna pick me up. Yep. Yep. This is just it's just a full range of effect, guys. This is straight choppy chop chop. Literally. It's pretty ugly. That was just rude right there. Rude. Was that just a wick to get everybody out of their play? Hey, Ron. Wow, look at that pump. Look at that pump, guys. Gonna bubble up to a 632 entry. Just chase it. Let's see if this gets filled. 100-point ranges are tough to play, guys. Not gonna lie. All right, we're in. Let's push over 645, 650. Oof. There goes the push. Get us out of here. Get us out of here. Go, NQ, go. He's gonna have a pain in the ass right now. What's up, MJ? How you doing? Man, 650 does not want to break, guys. Let's do the dang thing, AA Ron. Let's do it. Give us this push. This man. I feel like I should de-risk a little bit. Oh, did we just wow? This one went red. Close my Nasdaq long as I'm in a gold long. Okay. Oh, damn. Did me dirty, chat. Unreal. Get back up. This is how I think the rest of the day is going to go, guys. Unfortunately. Dirty wicks. That was dirty. I bet you that stopped a lot of people out of longs. I kind of have a feeling I should have just taken that pop. We definitely did it in the middle. Hate to see it, chat. Hate to see it. But unfortunately, this is going to be an L. Unless I get a nice little pop right here, we just got to cut this crap. But I genuinely think the rest of the morning is going to go like this. We tapped that 650 like 4 or 5 times, couldn't break through. You know, now we're just straight up just chopping in the middle. If you see green and you want to just get the hell out of this, like, I don't blame you. This is pretty rude right now. I mean, even the 1 minute candles are like 40 points. It's pretty crazy. So there was your opportunity to get out. I hope you did. If you're worried. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. We got our trim, chat. We got our trim. To the moon. To the moon, chat. Or back to break even. As soon as is that what happened? Market's like, okay, we can be semi-normal now. Give us a damn move. Now whatever the hell this is. Bull flag on the Rankos. I don't know. I haven't looked at them, but yeah, 680 is what we're looking for. 650 needs to get out of the way though. It's kind of ridiculous. Rejecting every time we touch it. Come on. Push out. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. I'm just going to take this, guys. This is absurd. I don't know what we got out on that play. 150, 200 bucks maybe. This is ridiculous. I guarantee everybody's getting chopped to freaking bits right now. No, who in their right mind would hold that play with me? was not a fun hold. There's no reason to get out of it, but I mean, negative RR play for sure. It's now everybody that's still they can push. 40 points on today, a day like this, man. You're set. Okay, I'm glad I got out of that. This is straight up trash, guys. Go long on a massive pullback and hold on for dear life. That's the plan. Yeah, it's terrible, dude. Gold recovering. I don't know about recovering. Maybe pulling back. We're gonna be done here in about 10 minutes, guys. I do have to go to a meeting at 11, so which is fine with me because this is I don't really want to mess with this. Look at this 30-minute candle. Wicks on both sides. It should push out. I just didn't want to see that play go red again. Looking for 675. I think I'm about break even on the morning, maybe a little bit green. All right, there you go. Play worked out. Paper hands, paper hands. Congrats if you held. Congrats. That was a brutal play, guys. Saw a lot of drawdown on that one. What was our entry? 632. About 30 points of drawdown on that one. Yeah, Jackson holds. Yeah, it's just all day. But I mean, structurally, it held. The wicks were just brutal. I'm sure it tapped a bunch of people out. You gonna do NQ? You know, kind of curious. Yeah, break even on the morning. I still can't believe I didn't get this tap in at 62 to run it up all the way. That was just absolutely rude. That went out perfectly. I missed it by one tick. That would have made my morning so green. But it is what it is, guys. I gotta figure out how to get my mic to pick up this music. Vibes are high. Vibes are high in the office right now. I got to run it through my system. Max profit on a new combine for the gold long. Let's go. See some of you guys printing in the chat. Love to see that. This play is going to end up working out perfectly at 700. Pretty well. Now, is 675 going to hold? That is the question. I'm going to pay to find out. This will probably be my last attempt at a play. We've had two beautiful reads. Unfortunately, the long I didn't take, and the short I didn't take. But been reading the market pretty decent, except for this fake out. That one got me. But other than that, pretty good analysis for the day. So I hope you all use me as confluence, or maybe took some of the shout outs. Every indices are just straight up flat on the day. SPY, QQQ, NQ, the ES, everything's just right at zero. Average daily range is nothing at this point. Like if this was a normal day, I'd say we're going to rocket another 100, 200 points. But it's not a normal day. And there's 700. Okay. Damn. Congrats if you held. Are we going to actually break out? Are we actually going to break out? Will it break out? Yeah, right, Jota. Will it break out? No kidding. It has literally been a month. Will it break out? No. So a smart bet would be to short 700 because we have not been able to break out 700 for quite some time. But I never claimed to be a smart man, so let's see if it'll do it. Ooh, missing these plays by like nothing. Quick 20 points up to 75. Oh, let's go, Vic. Beautiful play. Oh, guys, that's going to be it for me. I missed that play. We are out of time. Remember, it's Friday. We're just doing a short session. So, everybody, be safe. Be safe. Your range, if you want to write it down, 600 to 700 is like your range. Let's just call it that. Ideally, we break above 700 and continue, but honestly, I'm not expecting it. Look how if you like VWAP is straight up just flat. It hasn't moved. So guys, be safe out there. There's Fed talks all damn day. So base hits, in my opinion, no home runs, but you guys do you. And I will be back on Monday. Until then, stay profitable, guys.